Welcome to the Lucky Review channel. Today I am going to introduce about one of the most ebook, or you can say that it is the very important for those people really wants to lose your weight. So I am giving you the brief idea about these ebooks and what are those advantages behind after your weight is loose. So most of the advantage of behind that weight loss. So in this particular ebook, it is consisting of the weight loss 150 facts that you must know. The disclaimer about this product is not a substitutional for the advice of medical professional. Always consult a doctor to discuss the matter related to your health. So this ebook is a completion of the data that you should know before starting a diet or weight reduction program. So most of the people's here they are preferring the dietings or some kind of weight reduction programs, but in this 150 articles we review all the programs from the nature ones to surgeries and peel system, keto and Dr. Atkins, South Beach, vegetarians, 1000 calories, ABS diets, cereals, etc. This is the review without any restriction. We analyze the pros and cons so that you can basic to make a decision on which system may be the best in your case. So most of the people are preferring for the different kind of weight loosening process and many more things, but he actually don't about these things. So first of all, free report outlines foods that will feel fuller for longer. Click down the sections so that here the free shipping available, and you can click on this button so that you can move on to the payment sections. So once again, if you're new here, please press the subscribe button, and if you want to purchase this kind of ebook, then visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. So before introducing about this product, first of all I am giving you the advantage of the weight loss. So first one is the control your diabetes. So most of the Indian peoples and outside the India peoples, he or she is having the diabetes. To prevent and treat in some cases resolve the type 2 diabetes complications associated with diabetes like blindness, limb amputation and kidney diseases and stroke risk decreasing or can be controlled by the loosening the weight. Manage your risk of the heart disease. Means most of the people are having the diabetes and blood pressure program, so that it can be also controlled by the weight losing and breathe easily and achieve the deep and fulfillment on the sleeps, stop and burn of the GERD and relieve the stress of urinary uncontinuous and relief from low back pains and improve your fertility. Significant weight loss, restore the normal menstrual cycles, reduce high endurance levels and reduce the risk of the type 2 diabetes. I already explained you that weight loss particularly helps to reduce the symptoms, and many people wants to join a different kind of jobs so that he or she it is easily achieve this kind of job. Some of the people are having the dream food jobs, improve the blood sugar levels and improve your many diseases, diabetes, blood pressure and many other diseases. This kind of diseases have on in the most of the people, so that you can protect or control by loosening the weights. On doctor are also suggested, so that I am introducing about this. Already give you the brief idea about these ebooks. This ebook is consisting of 150 articles. So each article it is the very important things. After you reading all the articles, definitely your weight is loose by graphically or massive. You can't imagine your bodies but thing is that burning fat, loosening the weight, getting in shape and looking great, it is easy. And when you eat healthy foods that make you feel fuller longer, some foods naturally deliver a smaller calories invest while giving your stomach a fully fillings. So you feel full, so you eat less. Your calorie counts goes down, and so does the size of your fat waist line. So things is that if you controlling your fats, vitamins, and many other facts, increasing foods and eating purpose, so that in this 150 article you can, after reading 150 article, you can easily understand about all those things and you can implementing on those things in your life, and your body definitely goes down, or you can say that massive weight loss. So once again, if you visit the link which is already mentioned in the description, so that you can move on to this page and read out all the things, and if you're satisfied with this particular products and if you're interested, then visit the link which is already mentioned in the description. And if you're new here, please press the subscribe button, because I will come up with the new and mind-blowing products which is really helpful in your life and in your business grow. So once again, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.